To pay Copart with MoneyGram. Start by creating an account on the Copart website if you have not already done so. This will give you access to the features and tools needed to participate in auctions and purchase vehicles. Once you have an account, locate the vehicle you want to purchase and follow the bidding process. After winning an auction, you will receive an invoice from Copart with payment instructions. To pay with MoneyGram, select the MoneyGram option as your payment method. You will then be provided with a receive code which is necessary for making the payment. Next, visit a MoneyGram location near you, taking the receive code and your payment with you. Let the MoneyGram agent know that you want to make a payment to Copart and provide them with the receive code. The agent will guide you through the process and provide you with a receipt as proof of payment. Ensure that you keep the receipt safe as it may be required for verification purposes. It is also essential to make the payment within the specified timeframe to avoid any late fees or penalties. When paying with MoneyGram, be aware of the fees associated with the transaction. These fees vary depending on the location and the amount being sent, so it is crucial to factor them into your overall cost. To avoid any issues with your payment, double-check the receive code and the payment amount before completing the transaction. It is also a good idea to contact Copart customer support if you have any questions or concerns about the payment process. By following these steps and being aware of the associated fees and deadlines, you can successfully pay Copart with MoneyGram. Remember to always keep your receipt and verification information safe and be prepared to provide it if needed.